Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to do something that most of you must have heard, and that is the power of makeup. I come across a lot of people who have very different views about makeup. That's okay, it's okay to have your own views. But I've also heard some people, who are totally against makeup, like they do not like the concept of makeup at all. They say that you should not do makeup, it is so fake, it is so unnatural, you should be proud of your flaws, you should be proud of how you look, you should not try to change yourself and all that kind of stuff. It's okay, I respect their views, but I don't know how they come up with the terms like you should not do it and fake and unnatural. Like I have seen people not doing makeup even if they like makeup or even if they want to do makeup, just because they think that what will other people say, that you're wearing too much makeup, so fake, you're not natural, this is not natural beauty and all that. So that is like too much negativity. Okay, I agree that full glam, full coverage makeup does hide all your flaws, and it kind of transforms your face into something totally new. I agree that, but there is also a light coverage sheer makeup that does not hide all your flaws, and people just do it normally. It's a part of their getting ready or dressing up, and people do that to make themselves look pretty. So that is totally fine, that is totally okay. And I also feel that, be it full coverage makeup or very light makeup, if the person doing it feels confident after doing it, feels happy about themselves, feel that they are looking pretty and everything, then there is no harm in doing it. So that is what today's video is all about. I'm going to do makeup only on half of my face, and in the end we will compare the both sides of the face with and without makeup, to see how makeup can actually just transform your face and make someone look beautiful and confident within oneself. Power of makeup is usually doing full glam, full coverage makeup on one side and leaving the other side totally natural. But today I'll be doing one side of only very little natural sheer coverage makeup, and other side would be natural. So this is to show how even little bit of makeup can make a difference, and how that is not unnatural and how that is not fake. And sometime in the future, in another video, I'll be doing a full glam makeup and natural. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and like this video, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'll be doing the makeup on this side of the face, and this side will remain natural. Eyebrows I'm not doing because I feel that they're already fine, like they don't need anything. So we'll just move on to the next step, and the next step is applying the base. And for the base, I'm using Clarins BB cream. I'll just take a little bit of the BB cream on my hand and I'll apply it on my face. So the next step is to apply the eyeshadow, and for the eyeshadow I'm going in with I Want It All palette by Kylie Cosmetics, and I'll be using the colors 1942, Celebrate, and Midnight. I'm using 1942 on my transition area, and for the lid area I'll be mixing Celebrate and Midnight. And I'm applying the shade Confetti on my inner corner and my brow bone. Now I'll be applying a very thin layer of eyeliner, and the eyeliner I'm using is Revlon's Color Stay Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. And finally we will apply the mascara, and the mascara I'm using is Clarins Supra Volume Mascara. For blush, I'm again going in with the I Want It All palette, and I'm using the shade Cheers. And lastly, for the lips, I'm going in with a very natural shade, and that is Candy K from Kylie Cosmetics. So that is it. This is the power of makeup. This side is with makeup and this is without makeup. You can see how such little amount of makeup can make such a difference on your face. All I used was a BB cream, a simple eyeshadow, little bit of mascara, eyeliner, a very natural lipstick, and just a hint of blush, and this is the difference that it can make. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly hope that this video was fun to watch and that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.